Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Aitada. This is Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Ferrisfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns. 5 Amazulu FC. Chuma brother, how's it?
As one of the Sundowns supporter, we are very happy with.
How's it? How are you? Unjan.
Thank you very much. Ngingahle wakhuluma
Any language?
I get about it.
Yeah. We won one game tonight.
It was much very interesting, and then I'd like to say thank you very much to our players that we won 5-2.
Yeah.
Even though our goalkeeper was
Considered.
so but Kalebo. So the most important game, MTNA on Sunday.
Do you think you'll win that one?
Are we gonna win? Which is gonna be 4-1.
4-1.
Yeah.
Number 1.
Even my ancestors, they told me so at the present moment.
At the present moment.
Yeah. At this stadium of Loftus.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ke leboha support e bileng teng ka jeko le le la bonta teng ngobo
Yeah.
le bafana ba ba ka ba babedi.
Yeah. So it is just
Fly. Mama skara.
Go, let's talk sports.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Nee, hi, Brian, na game ka jena hi. Ile mona.
Yeah.
On sarnet no flop backline. Backline na hi.
I consider. Yeah.
Ra consider like each and every game ra consider. And ke yone re ngore fele tse panikiwa go pele. So ha ka lutsa backline ela.
Yeah.
Wa bona a gitsore Johnson Muntsize mara sa consider. Sera ro nya ka ndamane ola a gitsore amopere azame bomvala man.
Yeah.
So ke nana re mara ka mo ka tletseng ka jena hanya tsa Amazulu. On tsara. Yeah, o kile ka strong team. So ke nana re ka Sunday ka game ya Golden Arrows. Ke nana re ya ha ka dlala game e bareng team lineup ya team ngana ka jena. And then substitute tsa dileng ka tsona. Ke nana re ka winna boma 5-0.
Number 1.
Wana kinyaki.
Awunyake one.
Hayi wana ya kinyaki.
We love you and appreciate you.
I love you too, my brother.
We
Thank you so much.
appreciate you.
Kopela sendele wona.
Yeah.
Sendele.
Now sendela link. Yeah, fly.
Let's talk sports.
No, okay, check out on YouTube ya Ngobo 2010 Shop.
Yeah. Subscribe the shop ke tla go.
Unchate.
Yeah, o Brian.
We love you and support you.
I love you more. Aitada. Sure.